In today's video, I will walk you through how to change the language on MT5. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 on your computer the way you normally would. Once the platform has loaded, look at the menu along the top of the window. From the top menu, click View. After the View menu opens, move down until you see Languages. Click Languages to display the list of available language options. You'll now see the different languages that MetaTrader 5 supports. Scroll through the list if needed, and select the language that you want to use. For this example, choose Danish. Simply click on the language you want, and MetaTrader 5 will prepare to apply the new setting. After selecting the language, you'll need to restart MetaTrader 5. The platform will restart, and once it opens again, the interface will appear in the language you selected. You'll notice that the menus, buttons, and other parts of the platform are now displayed in that language. If you decide later that you want to switch to a different language, you can follow the exact same process again. Open MetaTrader 5, click View, select Languages, and choose another language from the list. After making your selection, restart the platform once more so the new language is applied. The restart is required for the language change to take effect, so wait for MetaTrader 5 to finish reopening before checking the updated interface. Once the platform has restarted, everything will be displayed using the language you selected from the Languages menu. If the language you want is available in the list, you only need to click it and restart the platform. If you want to change it again in the future, repeat the same steps. Go to View, open Languages, choose the language you want, restart MetaTrader 5, and the interface will update after the restart is complete. The process is always the same regardless of which language you choose. Just remember that the language does not change immediately after you click it. The restart is the final step that applies the new setting across the platform. Once MetaTrader 5 finishes restarting, you can continue using it with the newly selected language. That's all there is to changing the language in MetaTrader 5. Open the View menu, select Languages, choose the language you want, restart the platform, and after it opens again, everything will appear in the language you selected. Thank you for watching.